Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make fridge magnets. Okay, so we'll be making three different types of fridge magnets today. So you can use any size of bottle caps to make these. Now you can take the cardboard and keep the bottle cap on it, and with the help of any sketch pen or pencil, you can just make the circle out of it. And now with the help of scissor you can just cut it, and you can do it for other caps as well. Now take the Fevicol and stick the cap on the cardboard. Press it gently. See, this is how it looks. Stick for the rest of the caps as well. Now with the help of the scissors you can just cut out the left part of the cardboard, the wastage part of the cardboard. So this is how it looks after cutting the wastage part of the cardboard. Now let's color the first magnet. This is the green color that I have used. It is Fevicryl acrylic color. Now this is how it looks after coloring. Let it dry. See how after drying it looks like this. Now let us create some design or pattern on this using white color. Take a brush and just tap white color on it. Now take a cloth and just tap the color to make the pattern. I'm trying to make some cloudy pattern on it. See, this is how it looks. This is the cloud pattern. Now let us make the second magnet. I'm using here blue color, blue acrylic color to paint it. So this is how it looks after coloring. Now let it dry. Now let us make some design on it. So I am using here white color and sky blue color. Now take a small thread and dip it into color, sky blue color. Now open it up and just press it over the magnet and just stick it up. Now do it for rest of the lines. Now similarly do for the white color as well. Now let us do for the third magnet. I am using here yellow color. Now paint it using yellow color. Now it is completely dry. Now let us make some pattern on it. So I am using here black acrylic color. Now dip the brush in black color and you can make any pattern you like. Now on the sides, just paint it with sky blue color. And this is how it looks finally. So these are the 3 magnets that we have made. Now let us stick magnet at its back so that we can stick it on the fridge.